from Lucci and Casey class. Today
we're going to be fidget trading, and hi, I'm back here. I must remove my mask. Today, oh, sorry for that blackout. The phone just fell.
Today we're just going to do fidget trading part 3.
Yeah. Casey, how do you put it back? Okay, today you will be focusing on me, because the last video, you were focusing on Casey, but today you're going to be seeing me for the rest of the video.
But they won't know who and they play.
Okay, so let's start. Casey, what's your first offer? Let's show them the fidget board. I'll give you the green ball.
Except.
This is what I got.
And this is what I got.
Next fidget.
My turn.
My turn.
Oh.
I'll trade you this Raven ASMR pod. What do you offer for? This is really good. As if you guys want to see here, that's what it looks like.
I'm going to trade you my Rubik's Cube.
Add. This is one of my favorite fidgets.
Oh, okay.
Add.
Decline.
Okay. My turn. I'm trading you for this McDonald's Transformer. In the last video, I showed you how it worked, but I'll try to remove its legs this time.
No, you can.
We can't. Casey? Since I can't show you, let's just trade.
Okay. I'm going to wait this Dora the Explorer puzzle. And here is how it works. You just move around and you have to...
Yeah, that was a hand-me-down from me.
Yeah, she gave it to me and we both have it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, I have two now. I have a McDonald's and a Dora one now. So, yeah. Oh, no.
Accept.
Accept.
Now I got 2 puzzles, guys. I got 2 of them.
That's how the McDonald's. My turn.
Casey's turn. Come on.
I'm going to trade you this very insane pack.
I'll trade you this beach cutie car.
Except.
Oh my gosh, it's special for me. I'm gonna open it in the end of the video, guys. So stay tuned.
So what the full video to see Lucci opened up very insane pack.
Okay, I'm gonna trade you my...
Lucci, are you crazy? You already opened it.
Let's just put it back inside. Yeah, it slipped out. Casey, the next time you make one, put tape on the sides.
Okay.
So it won't go out. How about I trade you this Among Us puppet?
Going to trade you this. It's a rainbow.
Yeah, it's a rainbow Among
I'm
Us.
going to give you this apple.
Like Rainbow X. Like Rainbow X.
I'm going to give you this rainbow apple.
If you add... Wait, no. Decline.
Okay,
I'm sorry, I just like it because it's really rare and I used to play Among Us. I haven't played it in a long time.
Okay, so we'll just pop these poppies for one round. And then
Okay, how about me and Casey have a puppet race, guys? Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Come on. I went first. So
we're tied.
I said it first.
No, we tied.
Di ba si Mami tatawag? Pwede naman kayo mag-happy pero wag masyadong malakas.
Siya po yung nagsigaw. Ignore that. I won, so if you think that I won, please subscribe.
And click the bell button if you think I win, guys. Hey, Ate Lucci, I just remembered. We are a team, so we don't argue. Yeah.
Okay, next trade is Casey. She has to offer something big because she yelled at me.
Inupuan mo na yata.
No?
Casey, you have to offer me something big because you yelled at me.
No?
No, I didn't.
Ah, you did. You have to offer me something big. Guys, click the like button if you think I didn't yell. I can hear you. I'm very strong.
Yeah, I
You're
know.
going to scam me.
Nope.
Fine, what's your trade?
I'm going to trade you this heavy.
Oh, that's not big.
I trade what I trade.
Decline.
Okay, decline then.
Okay, next trade. Super Mario block from McDonald's. What's your offer?
I'm going to trade.
Add. Decline.
Okay then.
Okay, I trade you this Raven ASMR pod.
If you trade me the camera, I'm going to give you these two. This one is an ultra rare.
Decline.
Okay, then decline again.
The camera that Casey was talking about, let me guys show you what it looks like. Here.
Just like
Just
this
like
guy.
the other one that we showed in the other video. Now let's try to zoom in. Then see the pictures. It's kind of blurry, but you can see it. Oh my gosh, it's Superman. But since it's a bit blurry, let's go to the back. Oh my gosh, you can see it more clearly. That's Wonder Woman right there. Let's try to check who is that.
Come on, girl. Are we still
It's Superman.
Are we still fidget trading or what?
This was made in China. Okay. Okay, so let's go to the next trade.
Yeah. I'm waiting.
Alright. The video won't look... Sorry, I was upside down. Let's do the next trade. What do you offer, Casey?
Well, since you don't like my offers, you can go first.
Oh, okay. I trade you this Unicorn Puppet, ASMR Pod, Cutie Car, and my chess ball.
I'm going to trade you this Poppet Part 1, this Rubik's Cube one, this ultra rare polar bear bracelet, and this other bracelet.
Add. These are one of my favorite fidgets.
Fine. I'll add my 2 cute cars.
It's not that your trade is bad. It's just I like these items because it's mostly about their color. So decline. Sorry.
Yeah, decline.
Shout out if you.
Shout out to Azure Flower again.
Yeah, another shout out to Azure Flower because Casey might have not posted the part 2 of the fidget trading with the babies.
Ate Lucci, please. If we have more time, we can do the bracelet. No. The picnic with the baby.
The picnic with the babies. We might do that today, but we might run out of time. So, we must trade all of our favorite fidgets. Let's go! Come on, stack them up.
And this picture.
That's not a fidget,
Yeah, I
Casey.
know.
Remember this spiky ball? If you know its name, please comment it down below. I think this was called a frizzy. I'm not sure. Okay. Do you accept, Casey?
Accept.
Decline.
Yeah,
Sorry.
me too decline also.
Because those are one of her favorites.
Hey,
You took away my Mario. Sorry, we grabbed each other's fidgets.
Yup, accidentally.
Accidentally.
We didn't do
If you guys like our fidgets, let me show you my pile. Tell us your favorite fidget from my pile, and tell us your favorite fidget from Casey's pile.
Yup.
Remember to tag us when you do that.
Yeah.
Okay, so last 2 trades, guys. Last 2. Okay. This trade, we're gonna have to trade all our poppets. Go! These are all my only poppets, and they're one of my favorites, guys.
These are my only poppies, and there's some, and this one's my favorite, and this one's also.
Actually, I accidentally broke that heart one. It was actually very good at popping. I'm sorry.
And I broke this Among Us one.
Yeah, while they were racing, Casey accidentally popped it too hard, and then it popped out.
Yeah.
Okay, so...
You shouldn't have bring your other poppy.
Oh yeah, I should have. And also my other fidgets. Okay, let's trade some really cheap fidgets right now, guys. This one's really dirty, so I'm gonna add it in.
And this one is actually very cheap handmade. So I'm just
This one is a handmade fidget by me. Yeah, it doesn't pop that well. This actually used to pop really well, but it doesn't anymore. Hey, that's my fidget. Stop it. Okay, this camera, I think this is really cheap. So,
This is actually
I'm not gonna add it because it's one of my favorites. So, maybe this stress ball. Because this, oh, she declined before I even added something. Okay, last trade. We have to make up a rule for this. Very, very last trade. I love this stress ball. Tell me, guys, what's your favorite fidgets? Again, this one's my favorite. Casey, show me yours.
And this one is, these two are my favorite.
Okay, she can only pick one.
I can't pick one. Both of them are my favorite.
Okay. We have to trade, oh my gosh, I'll trade you this Pokemon. I actually forgot this Pokemon's name, but I play Pokemon Go, so yeah. This looks cute.
You dummy. I'm sorry. You say that to the last time.
I checked the video. It wasn't heard, Casey.
I just said.
I forget what she said, okay?
I just said Christmas songs, okay?
Okay, just forget what she said.
Christmas songs.
How about... Let's go. How about we blind fidget trade? That's what we're gonna trade. Close our eyes and then pick a trade. Okay? You're gonna be focusing at Casey for this time. Okay? Let's go. Okay, I got mine. How about you, Casey?
I think I got mine.
Oh my gosh. Ignore that fall. You just saw. Oh my gosh, what did you get?
Wait, we're supposed to get one.
Only one. You dropped that green ball. Okay, this Dora for that me out. Accept.
Okay, accept.
Okay, so that's the last shade for the day. So let's get opening the very insane pack. Let's go.
Wait for me!
Yeah, this is how messy the bed looks.
Hey! Wait for me, girl!
Oh, where's your scissors, Casey?
Right there.
Okay, we got the child-friendly scissors on hand. I have one at my home, but they're the same shape on the sides.
And this
So it's slightly different only. Okay, Casey? Let's put the phone over here so they can see us. Okay? So let's start opening this. Okay. I hope I didn't cut any paper.
Yup. Because if you did, that would be bad.
Here. Where's number 1? Oh, it's over here. My gosh. This
You
is
saved it
so
also.
hard. This is harder than mine. Okay. Oops. Let's just...
Oh,
Mama, what's this? Okay, here the tiny packs, but let's open number 1. As you can see over there, I use scrap paper. Well, I used clean paper. Well,
It's amazing.
oh my gosh, it's a maze. But let's keep opening. I'll answer them later.
Yep.
Because Casey didn't answer the tic-tac-toe.
I did.
You did? You didn't?
With my
Oh, wait, yeah, sorry. And Casey, you forgot to cut out the Hello Kitty soup.
Yeah, I know.
Why? Why didn't you cut it out?
Because
Oh my gosh, another spot of difference. Who's that? Who's there? Guys, do you know who this is?
Barry Barrington!
Oh my gosh, it's Berry. He's one of our main characters of the show. Say hi.
Hi!
Okay, that's a bit too high pitched for his voice. Fairy Barrington, fly away.
Oh no, Dave! Oh, don't mind that. Don't mind
I
that.
don't find it. He just lost his balance. It's okay. Let's put it here in the pile. Okay, let's go for number 3.
I got it.
He's rescued. Casey, put a band-aid on him.
Okay.
May you please rescue him? The bandage is in the box, okay, where we found the fidgets. Okay, oh my gosh, it's a tic-tac-toe. Looks so cute.
No! He again!
Casey, can you get the band-aid inside the box where we find the fidgets? Go.
But I want to see you.
Casey, you can hear me naman.
What did you get?
Where did Fairy Barrington get hurt? He got hurt on his arm.
Yeah.
Get the band-aid.
Ah!
Sorry. Okay, oh my gosh.
What? What you
I
get?
think I was supposed to go the airplane.
Yeah, you have to put a path.
Okay. Here's the number 5, guys. I might have ripped some of the paper, but it's fine.
Yeah. It's a
Aw.
cutout.
It's a cutout. So, yeah. Let's cut it.
Yep.
First, let's cut out the cutout. That kind of sounds like a tongue twister. Cut out the cutout. Cut out the cutout.
Come on.
Okay. I might not cut it through the lines because I might cut Casey the from. Gosh.
You can put it anywhere.
I can put it next to my study table. Oh my gosh, I'm done, guys. Okay, Casey, may you get me
A pencil?
a pencil? Oh wait, no. I found this highlighter, guys. Okay, so let's answer it. Okay, this is really easy.
You can create any path.
So I can create any pattern. I'll make a squiggly pattern. Done, guys. I did it. We made it to the beach.
Yeah.
Let's go to the beach, beach, beach. Okay, stop singing that
shaking your
song.
butt.
No, you're shaking your butt. Okay, Casey, may you play with me? Spot the difference. Let's hold the
Oh,
cam.
I cannot play with you because I already know the answers.
Oh my gosh, his nose is different. Very. And
Notification ako din sa cellphone. Did you see?
meron.
Oh, dali. You're okay. It's me.
We're gonna need to film later. We'll make a part 2. Bye.
Bye.